All right, so here I am back in my sweater. Sorry about that, I ran out of time. I just get 5 minutes of free video recording. So I'm coming back over here. I'm kind of working a little bit here in the middle. I did this big stripe. I'm working in here a little bit. So I got that yellow line in, I got this red line in, and now I'm gonna add this yellow section down there. Now I just noticed that there's a bit more red that I didn't do, so I want to add that in. So to get back to that red color, I'm going to use this eyedrop tool, and I can click on that red to get the same exact color. And now I'm going to add this curving line that goes all the way down. So I also think I want to kind of fill this in a bit more, really more like that, to really fill that in. And then I can use this to go curving down like that. Then there's a bit of a yellow section as well. And it looks like there's a bit of a red line that goes on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of draw that. All right, now I'm going to switch to yellow. And same thing, I'm going to use the eyedrop tool to drop on the yellow that I was using before so it's matching. And then I'm going to add in that yellow bit down here, just like that. So that's starting to look about right. There's a bit more yellow up here. Already got some of that in. And then let's work on this section here. So this is a patterned section. I'm going to go ahead and use my pattern tool with the streamer. So I'm going to turn the outline off, the fill on, and I'm going to go over here to patterns. And I'm going to try to find a pattern that matches as best as possible. Now the pattern in here is turquoise and red. I'm just going to go ahead for this one that's like a gray and red. It's close enough for me. And I have my streamer tool with the fill on and the outline off. Now this way, when I use the streamer tool, the point of my mouse is going to create my shape. So I'm tracing around the lines. And you see how even though it looks like it's going over, if I bring my mouse around my other design there, it will not cover it because it's going to go wherever my mouse goes. And then I'm going to release it there. Now I notice that there's this kind of plaid black and red stripe right in here. So I'm going to see if I can also find a pattern that will match that. And there's kind of a plaid. Oh no, just kidding. That's not plaid at all. Sometimes these really tiny little samples are hard to see just what it is. Oh, here we go. There's perfect. All right, so now I'm going to go, again, the tip of my mouse determines where my pattern goes, all the way up to the top. And that's really starting to look like it's coming together. I see I have more pattern over here, so I might do the same thing, but switching this between the fill on and the outline off and the outline on and the fill off, switch back and forth to either get these big sections of pattern or these smaller lines. Good luck, and I can't wait to see your finished Kuji sweater when this project is over.